my lovely viewers, this is Salwa to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you active Cisco Packet Tracer hidden dark theme simple secret method way. So for this case, we will go to the search options here and directly enter the Cisco Packet Tracer. See, it will take few seconds time. So this is what we wanna change the. So this is the interface that we want to change the thing. So how? So first of all, you have to go to the not option. This is the image section. Here, see here the display tiled background image. So click here. So before that, you have to click browse to select the image. This any kinds of thing, logical or something. We do this thing, or this thing. So open. Apply. See, the thing has been changed. So in this way we can do so lots of things we can do here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.